13 First Alert forecaster Allie Potter, and we had to pay close attention because we're dealing with dangerous conditions.
Oh yeah, Val, and not just today. It's going to continue through the weekend and even extending through next week. As you just mentioned, that excessive heat warning now in effect until Monday at 8 o'clock at night. Temps ranging from 109 to 114. Definitely dangerous temperatures that we're talking here, folks. The Tucson area is included in this, all the way up to Phoenix and west to Ajo and Sells. Now, if you live in Santa Cruz and Cochise counties, you are in the clear, but you still are going to be on the warm side. Some actions to take. I know they sound like common sense, folks, but we've been spoiled lately with cooler temperatures, right? Plan accordingly. Those outdoor activities, drink plenty of water, make sure to wear that sunscreen, and most importantly, look before you look. Today, sit poolside. Yes, I think it's a must. We're seeing 103 by noon, by 3 o'clock 109, by 5 o'clock 105. With more sunshine, we do have a little chance for rain though, but we're already in triple digits right now in Tucson. 88 Nogales, 95 in Sierra Vista, 105 if you're in Safford, 93 for our friends in Douglas or Bisbee. Radar is on the dry side right now, but we might be breaking some records already, right? We'll get into this coming up in just a little bit, Val.
Oh boy. All right, let's bring in 13 First Alert forecaster Allie Potter. We're swapping out the rain for the extreme heat, and we're flirting with some records now, huh?
I know. Can you believe it? We were tracking storms last week. We are tracking the heat, folks. 110 is our forecasted high for today. That record 111 on Saturday, 109, your record at 110, 109 on Sunday, 111 on Monday. That means we would tie that record that was set back in 1994. So records have the possibility to be tied or broken for this next stretch of heat. So far, we've seen 38 triple-digit days in Tucson. 17 of those have been 105 or hotter. We've only had one day that was 110 or more. And as you see the forecast, we might be adding to that number there. That excessive heat warning went into effect this morning. It's going to continue all day today and through the weekend, expiring Monday at 8 o'clock at night. Temps ranging from 109 to even 114 in some areas. So if you live in these areas of pink, you're including Safford, Tucson, Sells, Ajo, all the way north to our friends in Phoenix, you're part of this excessive heat warning. Now, if you're in Cochise County, Santa Cruz County, you're on the cooler side, still dealing with some warm temperatures, but not excessive heat. 100 degrees right now in Tucson, 95 if you're in Sierra Vista. 106 for Marana, 105 in Safford, 93 for our friends in Douglas and Bisbee. Where's the rain? Well, we were so spoiled with it, weren't we? Well, unfortunately, not so much the case we're going to see this week or this weekend. We do have a slight chance for rain because we are in monsoon. Majority of those storms today will be in Nogales or Sierra Vista. This is around 3 o'clock, by the way, this afternoon, so let's track it. Here's around 5 o'clock this evening. As you notice, these storms start to move east and to our friends in Mexico, and then really clearing out around 7 o'clock this evening. As for your weekend, we are putting a 20 and 10% chance for rain still, and that's going to roll over to Monday and Tuesday at a 20%. Today, your best chance for rain will be in Cochise County, a 30% for Bisbee, Sierra Vista, and Douglas, a 20% if you're in Wilcox. Place to be really is Summer Haven. Right now, 87. Absolutely. Let's take it. Let's go, Val. But notice this, the parking lot. It's always packed because 87, yes, please. And the 80s are going to continue on Saturday, 82, 81 by your Sunday. Really nice temps up Mount Lemmon. Your weekend down the mountain. Hot 109 on Saturday and on Sunday with a slight chance for those storms. Your 13 First Alert 7-day forecast includes 4 First Alert action days due to that excessive heat warning. Might see a little bit of a storm here or there, but overall just hot temps. Oh, 111. I don't even want to see it or feel it.
Are we going to Summer Haven after the show?
I think we should. We should bring the show to Summer Haven.
No, yeah, we have a 3 o'clock show we still have to do. That's going to be a tough task. All right, well, we'll just stay here.
Fly there.
Okay.
Or something.
All right,
Your
thank you,
private
Allie.
jet you have out back.
We are back at 3, not from Summerhaven.
I know.
Just here in the studio.
Darn it. I have to work on something.
Oh, good afternoon.
Excessive heat right now, and that warning went into effect this morning. It's going to continue until 8 o'clock on your Monday. Temps ranging from 109 all the way up to 114 in these areas in pink. Now, if you're in Santa Cruz or Cochise County, you are in the clear of this. Expecting some of those warm temperatures, though, we will say. However, if you're in the Phoenix area, definitely seeing that up to 118. Oh my goodness. Now, some actions to take because we are issuing a few first alert action days. Plan accordingly. Those outdoor activities, make sure you take some breaks, drink plenty of water, wear that sunscreen, most importantly, to look before you look. 108 right now in Tucson, 101 if you're in Sierra Vista, 112 for Marana, 111 for Safford, Douglas, and Bisbee. You're at 99. Taking a live look here with our radar. We're actually tracking some storms right now. We don't have any alerts or warnings, though, in effect. And if that does, in fact, pop up, we'll be the first to alert you. Diving in near the Douglas area, parts of Elfrida, a little bit in Sierra Vista, though tonight really staying on the warm side. 81 degrees on Saturday, 80 by Sunday, 81. This is your overnights really on the toasty side, and records might be tied or even broken as we head into this excessive heat, and the warning as well does not help with that. We'll get into this coming up in just a little bit, Val.
All right. We continue to track monsoon storms in southern Arizona. 13 first alert forecaster Allie Potter joins us, and this just happened. There's a severe thunderstorm warning in Nogales. That's
exactly right, Val. They are seeing some storms, some lightning, some strong gusty winds, and of course that rain for the Nogales area. So listen up. You have this severe thunderstorm warning in effect through 3:45 this afternoon, and gusts up to 60 miles per hour is possible, along with some penny-sized hail. We're actually seeing some rain if you're in the Oro Valley area or north of Tucson, parts of San Manuel, and even to our friends up in Oracle, and some other showers that are definitely starting to pop on up. Back to that severe thunderstorm warning through 3:45 this afternoon in this box. So it's south of Rio Rico, but really just surrounding Nogales as a whole. Lightning, though, we're tracking if you're in Douglas, along with some rain and parts of Elfrida. The big talker of the weekend is going to be the heat. An excessive heat warning now officially in effect. It's going to continue all day today, your weekend, and even early next week. Monday at 8 o'clock is when this excessive heat warning will expire. This does include the Tucson metro area along with Safford. Heat records, we are flirting with either tying or breaking records. For example, today our forecasted high 110, that record 111 set back in the year 2018, back in the year, right? It wasn't that long ago. On Saturday, 109. On your Sunday, 109. But really a degree or two short of that when it comes to that forecast. So records can possibly be broken. So please take precautions if you're out and about this weekend specifically. 109 on your Saturday. A little cooler on Sunday. Why not? 110 by Monday and Tuesday. 109 on your Wednesday. So far, we've seen 38 triple-digit days. 18 of those have been 105 or more. Notice we only have one for 110 or more, but as you see in the forecast, more is expected. Normally we see around 2 per year. However, last year, as we remember, was a very hot summer. We saw 18 10-plus days. No thanks. I think we're okay if we don't break that record this year, right? 112 if you're in Marana, though. 111 in Safford, 98 degrees if you're in Douglas, 101 for Sierra Vista, 108 for our friends in the Tucson area. Let's track some of those storms, okay? So around noon, we were talking about how Nogales and Sierra Vista were going to see some of those showers, and that's exactly what is happening as we speak. By 4 o'clock, that storm cell is going to start to move off to our friends in Mexico, but Nogales left with a little bit of that rain, and parts of the Tucson area, things will start to head more so the southern portion of the state. By 9 o'clock, really just clearing out. Look at this. At noon, there was no one. Now people are making their own parking spots. Look at this guy. No, don't be that person, okay? But if you are going to go to Summer Haven, get there early because as you see, it's a packed house and it's only Friday. Tomorrow, 84 degrees. On Sunday, 82. And on Monday, storms at a 20% chance, though, on your Saturday. Your 13 First Alert's 7-day forecast includes 3 First Alert action days due to the excessive heat warning. 110, definitely in the forecast.
Okay, did you get the license plate of the guy in the truck?
I don't want to be that person.
Okay,
but
you just called him out on TV.
I did, but you know, maybe they weren't watching.
Yeah, probably. And we may even break some more records. Let's bring in 13 First Alert forecaster Allie Potter right now. And you have even another severe storm warning.
Yeah, now we have 2 in effect right now, Val. So let's dive on in and show you a little bit more of what we're tracking. The first one, well, it looks like this one actually just expired. So that's live TV for you, folks. Nogales still, though, dealing with a little bit of that rain. Now, this other severe storm warning in effect through 4:15. This includes the Sassabee area. Expect some of that heavy rainfall along with some lightning, gusty winds. Might hear some rumbles as well. Look at you in Oro Valley picking up some rain, and to the north of Oro Valley, parts of Oracle seeing that, and otherwise just some dry conditions, but you might be feeling the heat. Oh my goodness, we have reached 110. This is the second time we've seen it so far this year. Now, hate to be the bearer of bad news, but let's put things into reality. Your yearly normal is 2. We're already at 2, so I think we're going to surpass that. Hopefully we don't break records. Last year we saw 18 10-plus days. That excessive heat warning, this is all dealing with this stuff. 109 to 114 that we're seeing. This is in effect until Monday night at 8 o'clock. Tucson, this includes you. Actions to take as we head into our weekend. Plan accordingly. Please stay safe out there. Drink plenty of water. Most importantly, though, you got to look before you luck. And the heat continues, Val, possibly even breaking records. We'll break it down. Come up in just a little bit, Val.
All right, Allie, thank you. We shift.
So we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect. This is for the Oro Valley area. It just came into our newsroom. Gusts up to 60 miles per hour. We'll track it. Don't go anywhere.
Right to 13 First Alert forecaster Allie Potter, and things change by the minute.
Yeah.
We've already had 3 severe storm warnings just within the last hour.
Yep, and 2 of those have expired. But Oro Valley, listen up. Your severe storm warning still in effect. And we've been tracking this for the last hour. We're seeing that lightning, hearing some rumbles, heavy rainfall, gusty winds. Some folks in that area have actually sent me messages on Facebook going, whoa, it's coming down here. Absolutely, until 4:30 this afternoon. This also, by the way, includes our friends up in Catalina. Here, though, for Nogales, you actually had a severe thunderstorm warning, now left with a flood advisory. Please be cautious. You know the drill. If you see any type of flooded washes, intersections, roads, please do not drive through it. That in effect until 5:30 this evening. And heat, another big talker of what we're talking about. 110. This is actually the second time this year that we've seen 110 or more, and normally we see about 2, and we're actually seeing 2 right now. Now, this excessive heat warning is now in effect. It officially went into effect at 11 o'clock this morning, continuing today, and then also continuing until the weekend, rolling through early next week. Temps ranging from 109 to 114. Some actions to take, of course, though, as you are out and about, especially this weekend. Please use common sense. Plan ahead. Maybe have that jog earlier in the morning, later on at night. Drink plenty of water. Don't forget that sunscreen. Most importantly, though, folks, look before you lock if you have the kiddos in the car or maybe little Fido with you out and about. Right now in Tucson, we're at 108 to 97. Sierra Vista 112 in Marana, 111 for Safford, 99 for our friends in Douglas or Bisbee. The next 4 nights, look at this. We are seeing temps on the warmer side. side, 81 degrees this evening. On your Saturday, 80, 81 by Sunday. Really, in fact, keeping on the warm side during the evening and then, of course, during your daytime hours. And that's why that excessive heat warning is in effect, too. So far, we've seen 38 triple-digit days, 18 of those 105 or more. Notice that we've only seen that 110 about a couple times. Temp-wise, though, yeah, we are really warming up there. The rest of our evening around 4 o'clock, Nogales, parts of Sierra Vista, seeing a little bit of those spotty showers, and things really start to dissipate as we head into around 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, though. This evening, a live look here on Summer Haven. This is the place to be, and maybe some illegal parking going on right now. Those cars, yeah, it's packed house. It's going to continue to be that way this weekend. Get there early, folks. You could get a legal parking spot. Your Summer Haven forecast in the 80s. Really nice this weekend. A 20% chance for those storms on your Saturday. Your 13 first alert 7-day forecast includes 3 first alert action days due to that excessive heat warning in effect. 111 on Monday, 110, those storm chances too, around 10% or so.